Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva in just 4 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, open up Canva, click on templates and go to search bar and search for poster and then create a new design. So this is our new poster design. Then what we're going to do is just go to elements, and from here what we're going to do is insert an image of whatever the food you're using for this poster. Click on BG remover and the background will get removed. Then what we're going to do is go to color for the background, and what color I'm going to use is a dark red color. So I'm just gonna go over here and choose a dark red color by myself. Then we're gonna go to elements and go to shapes and insert our cornered rectangle. Then we're gonna rotate it like this, and we have to increase its height as well. Then right click on it, and after rotating it, right click on it, go to layers and then send it to the back. The next thing we have to do is change its color to white. Rotate it a bit more so that we can put it at a right place. Then we're going to go to text and insert a heading. What we need to do is type our text in this. Whatever the text you're going to use, this is going to be the name of the dish, whatever the dish this is. So what I'm going to do is go to right here. From this emojis panel, what we're going to do is just scroll down a bit and search for this circle, which is small circle. So basically we have to just scroll down, and here as you can see I have inserted it, but what you have to do is use capitals for your text. So I'm gonna do that. Paste your text again and again with a circle between each of the new text. So the next thing we have to do is just increase its size, rotate it like this, and then we have to right click on it. After adjusting it, go to layers and then we're gonna click on send to the back. Then we're gonna change its color to white and click on change all. Then what we need to do is use the Ctrl+D key to duplicate this same text box, and let's just put it right here. Then we're gonna duplicate it again and put it on the below part of this rectangle. After adjusting all of the text, the next step is to insert a new text box. So after adjusting everything, I'm gonna go and insert a new heading, and I'm just gonna give it a title. The next thing we have to do is give it a left side alignment and go to fonts, and from here I'm gonna use Arial Anton font for this. Then we're gonna decrease the line spacing. The next thing we have to do is insert a subheading, and we're gonna just add more text or the subtitle, whatever you want to use for your poster, and then I'm just gonna put it right here. The font I'm gonna use for this is Apricots. So let's just give them the right side alignment and put it right here. After doing that, you can also give it animation. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe. This is the final result. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions.